Rich Brome from Phone Scoop here with a quick overview of the Planet Computer's Gemini. If you remember those old Scion devices, you're in for a treat. The Gemini is technically an Android phone with LTE, but in the form of a teeny tiny micro laptop. The entire point of this thing is that laptop-style keyboard. The body is mostly metal, and there are two USB-C ports. A really neat hinge mechanism helps hold up the display so it doesn't flop around while typing. It's a clever design, and it does its job well. The body has a high-quality feel. Special ridges on the front edge make it really easy to open. It doesn't come with an outer camera, but the semi-modular design lets you add one yourself for $50. Oh, those keys. These are old-school keys designed for true keyboard nerds. They have a great shape that feels good and works really well. The shape is extra important because it's of course smaller than a full laptop keyboard, so your fingers need those extra tactile clues to find the right keys. The keys make very satisfying clicks. Just listen to them click away. I found that the small size of the layout really took a lot of getting used to. I had to really concentrate to not make a ton of mistakes. I think most people would adjust over time, but going back and forth between this and a full-size keyboard could be tricky. You get all the keys you'd expect, including Shift, Tab, and Arrow keys. The company logo key brings up a special jumbo app dock. A function key can be used in combo with other keys to operate things like the volume. The app dock can include whatever Android apps you like, and they thoughtfully included a well-designed note-taking app. It's a neat little device that seems like it would be awesome for writing on planes and a few other specific scenarios. A version with just Wi-Fi will run you $4.99, and the LTE version goes for $5.99. It's an Indiegogo project, but the first units have already started shipping to backers.